Hi children, today we are going to learn about think positive. Okay, page number 36. Open your textbook, page number 36. Okay, think positive. Read the following sentence from the lesson. Mary Chuckle tells Marjorie, when you awaken in the morning, say aloud, oh, what a lovely, happy day this is going to be. Here, Mary Chuckle is teaching Marjorie to think positive. See, in this sentence, we have learned in lesson that Mary Chuckle was saying to Marjorie, when you woke up in the morning, you have to say loudly, oh, what a lovely, happy day this is going to be. Right. Why? Because we have to, Mary Chuckle wanted Marjorie to start her day with positive thinking. Okay, positive thinking. That is why Mary Chuckle suggested Marjorie to say loudly, oh, what a lovely, happy day this is going to be. That is a positive thought. Okay. That is a positive thought. If we think the day is going to be happy and lovely, we automatically feel happy, right? So we have to think whatever the things it is, we should think positively. We should take it positively. Okay. See, look at these pictures and say what positive things you learned from them. One has been done for you. See, here are some pictures. Okay, here are some pictures. You can see first picture. See, there is a boy and mother. They are shopping. They are buying vegetables, right? They are buying vegetables from shop. What are the positive things we can see in this picture? See, as an example, it is given. The boy helps his mother in buying vegetables. Their family eats vegetables every day. It is important to healthy every day. Right. See, from this picture we can get the positive things. Those are the boy helps his mother in buying vegetables. Yes. See, boy is taking vegetables and putting into the basket, right? And their family eats vegetables every day, and eating vegetable is good for our health, right? See, these are the positive things we get from this picture. And there are three more pictures you can see. First one, children are cleaning the road, I think, right? The road. Okay. Next picture is crossing. A boy is helping an old lady and I think she is blind too, I think so. Don't know. Okay. Anyhow, he is helping an old lady to cross the road. And next picture. See, here teacher is teaching them in class, teaching students in class. See, all are listening to sir, right? And I think sir asked something question and two of them raised their hands for saying the answers, maybe, right? Okay, these are the pictures, three pictures. What are the positive things you can find here? Okay, from first picture, second and third. Last three, see B, C and D. By seeing this picture, what are the positive things we can identify from that picture? That you have to say. Okay. It is not a writing work, it is a reading work. Okay, you can share your opinion with your parents also, or else you can share with me also through WhatsApp. Okay, you can say from B picture or second picture I found these are the things, positive things. Like what are the things you found, those things you can share with me in WhatsApp. Okay, next page number 37. Okay, picture composition. Look at the children in the park doing what they love to do. Write down 5 things that you like about this picture. See, there is a picture of park. See, children in the park. Children are playing and doing some different things there, right? They are, some are playing, and here you can see a boy is drawing and coloring. Here both are playing, these guys, and they are running and cycling and fishing. Here taking photo, right? And playing football. See, mother and a girl came to the park, right? Okay, this is the picture given in page number 37. You have to write down 5 things that you like about this picture. What are the things you like in this picture? Any 5 you have to write. Okay, 5 things what you like in this picture you have to write. And see, here you can see what is there. Tree house is there, right? Tree house is there. Here with a tire, a swing is there, and it is full of green, right, in the park. Many things are there. You can, and a pond, is, I think, right? Pond is there, and one more bridge is there. Many things are there. You can see in the picture. What you like in this picture? 5 things you have to write. Okay, write in notebook. Write the heading. 5 things. Okay. 5 things that I like at the park. Okay. Write the heading in such a way. 5 things that I like in the park. Heading write in such a way, and write any 5 things what you like in this park. Okay. This is your today's homework.